About to go inside the Winchester Mystery House. It may be haunted. So there are two tours here. We're going to take both tours, but just to give you some history of the Winchester Mystery House. It's 24,000 square feet, 10,000 windows, 2,000 doors, 160 rooms, 52 skylights, 47 stairways and fireplaces, 17 chimneys, 6 kitchens, 13 bathrooms. Speaking on 13, remember we're visiting this on July 13th. This group I thought was part of the Winchester House, but nope, they're actually just a group that came to go through the Winchester House. And more decided to join their group, which was a beautiful thing. Now the number 13 is used a lot inside this house, just so you know. FYI, this tour will consist of very short video clips. Pause if you need to pause.
There's clip-clopping on it.
That's our carriage.
We actually have our carriage here.
Sorry.
Oh, this is the...
In Connecticut in 1839.
When Amber drops on this window, it comes out to the number 13.
You would tower over her.
Well, these stairs might not work for real.
Boy.
We're perfect. This would be perfect for us. This is such a dope house.
No.
Yeah, right.
You got to pack a lunch, just go through.
Wow. Yeah, no kidding.
Before we continue, I do have a bit of unfortunate news. So we're going to be seeing a lot of period accurate furniture pieces.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
The bed thing that she's
Very nice.
with the
It's just a calendar.
calendar that has a picture of it. Is that supposed to be anybody in particular or?
Yeah, I noticed the spider one. There he is.
Common theme.
And see, this thing right here, this thing right here, that's how you turn it on. That's the valves and stuff.
Don't be afraid to see it.
I'm gonna get in right or
So this is Sarah's own personal bedroom.
And a step.
Go ahead.
Go ahead, yeah, just follow. Go that way. Right behind you. That's the step.
See, they can open that, they can open that. Yeah.
How big this house really is. These pipes go 7.5 miles long throughout.
so do I.
What happens is right after Sarah's death, there's the self-guided chairs happened a year after.
Okay.
13. Something's
13 drain holes, I think. That is pretty.
Kids up there?
Is it? That's a good place for shelves.
Wow.
He was waiting for that. Somebody throw me a bone. There would be a foot
The
button.
double in that.
I yelled at Dave because he's touching everything. Like, Dave, you can't touch me.
Oh, that's cool.
Rich crashed one that hit the other day at 7.2. Samson was 7.9. Well, yeah, I mean, so
What is this stuff?
Oh, I
Different
see.
tiles and stuff.
Hey, we're still in the shade. Ching. Post office. So that's just that amount of No, the big one was 9.96. Was it 9.6? I think it was 9.6, yeah.
Sorry.
Which was odd because it was in 1906.
I like the top letters.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, look at all these deals down here, guys. Houses active. If I have little kids on the tour, I always like to ask them, how'd you like to be in that building or a quick kid? A lot of them will respond, no way. I'm just like,
There's somebody already waiting.
see all this. Oh, no, you can better come put it up there.
I dare you to ring a button. I dare you to push a button. Dare ya. Holy crap, these are tiny. Easy. There's fellas going up these things.
They feel giant.
That one went down.
You better start telling Grampy all this stuff. She wants to go to the treehouse. It's right there. Bell's easy.
Yeah,
I've been waiting. I know better, dude. Dude, growing up tall, you learn these things real fast.
And that's the grass.
You have brass legs.
Yeah.
You got small levels there.
Oh, yeah. You know what? I make work.
Oh yeah, I'm sure you would.
That's there.
Bro, my God, this is building on the stairs. Back over here.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
There you go.
Him touching stuff. Naughty. He shouldn't be touching anything, but he's doing it anyways. He's a naughty person.
This the lawn, this the lawn.
Yeah, but look at the bill for the washboard.
Oh, that's nice.
Water here.
Yeah. Don't pop her soap.
They come work here. The floor is amazing. Did you see it, Shorty?
I saw parts of it.
Look at the tile along. Look at the tile around the fireplace.
I know.
Dang.
That's amazing.
You see the floor?
Oh, yeah.
Actually, I can see a year of that. The tools they had back then.
Hmm? Checking for day. Maybe.
A pipe organ.
That goes all the way to the top, too.
Oh, yeah, but that's 20 minutes in
Perfect time for you to take it.
Cool.
Yeah, that's Yeah, me too.
So if you feel free, go ahead and open it. It reveals the entire back of the house. You can feel free and open both doors if you'd like. These are the largest and smallest cabinets. What they were used for, we can only guess.
Wow.
They're not the only wonky thing about this room, though.
It's cool. Nice.
I'm sure she was, but because she did design it herself, I don't think she's very.
Just getting here. As long as you're going to hang. Cutting edge door. Rainbow. Baby Carl.
Yay!
Hey, Zach here. So I still have just 12 out of the 16. And no, this is not the same Arthur Miller that wrote The Crucible where you saw that video clip. Did you also happen to see a picture of Sarah sitting in the back of the carriage by chance?
Yep. Yes.
Great. So she actually took that picture right outside this building. So she hired a man named Tommy Nishihara for the job of head gardener. Korean style of architecture back in the day. The American Queen Anne Revival style, to be more specific.
13 ceiling tiles for casino.
By the way, guys. Yeah, it's the only one with a clean community. Crushed mica that helps give the sparkly feel to it. This room actually used to be on the main tour. They were completely closed off, about 30 rooms worth, shortly after the earthquake. Now our other two clues are going to be in this picture over here, which I'm sure you guys are probably going sick of by this point.
Dave, what are you touching?
These walls are. But this is the north wing, the absolute largest unfinished section in the entire house. Its method of making this stained glass window sparkle outside of the house, you can actually see some of the original framework that looks like it was the outside. It is the highest point the house has ever been in its history. Ever shown those spiderweb windows, perhaps? Yeah, that was on the original spot of those windows. I'll actually show you where those started off. I will have to cross you briefly over the roof to get to where we're going next. If you have not put your hard hat back on, we will need them.
Harry, you don't have to worry. Look how tall I am.
Ow.
Obviously, it's called a witch's cap because of its conical shape.
Dun. Dun.
There, it's the same thing. Brett Favre. That's
Nice.
a bad impression. But yes, back in those times, obviously, so she was obviously very concerned. Some were provided with these, which are pretty amazing. These are called stereoscopes. Yeah, I have
Dave.
3 here. I can, these can be passed around as long as they're put back on the table. Obviously, we'll be heading back. Does anybody want the 3rd one? There you go. This is one of my favorite parts. The wall to the gallows.
Wow.
First time down to the basement, I'm assuming, yes?
Yep.
Great, me too. Me too. Okay, so hopefully we make it out okay. Problem.
Escape room. That reminds me of a game.
Oh yeah, there's one, yeah. Yeah, speaking about liquids. Man, Clyde doesn't know how to do his job, I guess.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
It's a super convenient place to put all this coal, mainly because not too far away from the coal chute, right over here is going to be the boiler.
Like you did in Universal Studios.
What did I do?
You're like that. Yeah. Dave. Unzooming, that's what.
Why'd you zoom in?
Because it was like interesting looking.
Why? Look at that face. Are you videoing it?
Yeah,
You're right in my face.
it is.